Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset IKEA STYRBAR remote control. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now you might be wondering how to exactly reset this. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your remote control here, and you want to go ahead and go to the back of it, and you want to get a screwdriver and remove the back cover. So in this case, you should see the batteries on it as well as the reset button. So in this case, this is the reset button. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and prepare yourself, because you need to press this for about 4 times. And the remote lights here should start blinking 4 times as well. So confirming the reset process has started. Now, from here on forward, you want to let your remote here sit for about 10 seconds so that it has time to proceed with the reboot or reset process here. And once it's actually fully rebooted, you want to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until the LED starts blinking. Now, once the LED blinks, the remote is now in pairing mode and is ready to be added to the IKEA Smart Home app and start using it again. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.